Hey guys, welcome to our channel again. So today we'll be learning how to log into your American Express work account. So if you need help logging into your American Express account, make sure to stick till the end and watch the video. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser that you're comfortable with on your desktop. After that, go ahead and type onto American Express login and then press enter. You will be loaded with multiple options as you can scroll down, but on the top option www.americanexpress.com, go ahead and click on there. Then you will be directed to the login or sign up page on your screen. After that, go ahead and provide your user ID, your password, and for your work account, on your account type option you will be loaded with multiple options as you can see. So for work account, the last option, American Express work, go ahead and select that. So if you want your information to be saved, just go ahead and click on remember me option, but for now just let me on click it. After you are done with all these steps, all you need to do is just go into login option and simply click on there. Then you will be logged in. If you forgot your ID or password and you want to recover it again, go ahead and click onto this option, or else you are provided with multiple options such as create new online account, confirm card receipt, or visit our security center. So you can do any of those. And again, if you need any help, just at your top right corner you will see an help button just near the login option. Go ahead and click on there, and in this way you will be logged into your work account. If this video helped you, please subscribe our channel, hit the like button, and be updated with more videos like this. And thank you for watching.